Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many attempts try again later on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve too many attempts try again later on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click. After that, you will enter to force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.